أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Sayyid Shahnida, and you all know that I'm teaching you environmental studies. So we had already completed 5 units. Now we are on the 6th unit, and the name of the unit is variety in food. So what does variety in food means? Different kinds of food or differences in food. Suppose different type of vegetables are there, different types of grains are there, different types of pulses, dal are there. So these are different kinds of pulses, foods. So there are many varieties on food. So we are going to study these varieties in detail. So the first is try this. Let's see this. So what do we have to do first? So let's see. We use the vegetables and grains brought from the market to prepare the different dishes in our meals. See, vegetables, as we know what is a vegetable. So you may also know grains. Grains means like millets, like rice, jowar, wheat are kinds of grains we use. So we buy these grains and vegetables from the market to prepare our different dishes in our meals. What are the meals we have? We have breakfast, lunch and dinner. These are 3 kinds of meals we have in a day. So we prepare many dishes. We make dhokla, we make pav bhaji, we make pani puri, we make what else do we make? We make biryani out of rice, we make chapati, parathas from wheat, we make jawari ki roti as well. So these are different kinds of dishes we make from grains and vegetables as well. So let us carry out the following activity related to food. So what do you have to do first? So you have to find out these things. Which grains and vegetables does your family buy from the market? So first you have to see which grains and vegetables does your family buy. Suppose grains, everyone uses these grains, wheat and rice. Generally these are staple grains. Staple grains मतलब जो चीजें ज़्यादा produce होती है in a country and are used in large quantities as well. Suppose wheat, we use wheat for making chapatis and roti. We cook rice every day. So these are staple grains used in our Maharashtra. So we buy different kinds of vegetables as well. Potatoes, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, coriander, fenugreek, spinach. We buy different kinds of vegetables and grains. So what do you have to do? You have to make a list of, see, there's a column here. This is a column here. So you have to make such list. So you have to make 4 columns. First, grain or vegetable use. Suppose first given is rice. So dishes made from rice. What dishes do we make from rice? We make plain rice, जैसे boiled rice जो हम daily basis पे खाते हैं दाल के साथ. Idli is also made from rice. Bhakri is also made. Biryani is made from rice. Dosa is made from rice. Many dishes are made from rice. So you have to write down the dishes made at your home from rice. So here rice is used firstly, and there are 3 dishes made from rice, and number of dishes written is 3. So yeah, everyone has to do. Now you aren't in school, so you have to do it at your home. So look at your list. If a grain or vegetable is used to make more than one food item, write the total number of such items in the next column. See, in this column, you have to write up. Suppose rice. We made 3 dishes out of rice. So we wrote 3 total number of dishes made from rice. हमने कितनी चीजें बनाए? भाकरी, इडली और राइस. प्लेन राइस मतलब किससे? राइस से. तो ये हमने टोटल नंबर में लिखे. Now compare your list with your friend's list. Now you aren't at school, so you can't compare. But if you are in touch with your friend, if you make a call to your friend, you can ask your friend as well, what are the dishes your mom made from rice? So in your table, add the foods that are in their list, but not yours. So see, in this list. What is made up of rice? Modak. These Hindus make generally modak and dosa. So how many dishes are made out of rice? 2. So your friend's mom made different dishes while your mom made different dishes out of rice. So now you have to compare them. So you will realize that various dishes can be made from the same ingredients. Various dishes, कितने अलग अलग चीज़ें बने हैं ना राइस से. So ingredient मतलब चीज़. जैसे rice is an ingredient for making different dishes. Even when there is a variety in the dishes, the basic ingredient remains the same. Basic ingredient here is rice. उससे काफ़ी चीज़ें बने, लेकिन बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट क्या है? बेसिक चीज़ किससे बनी है? राइस से बनी है. So in the same example above, we saw various preparations of rice, various dishes made up of rice. Note that there is a diversity in the food items of the different states of our country. See, we have 28 states. So there are different states and different languages are spoken in different states, and different foods are also eaten in different states. Suppose we live in Maharashtra. So people in Maharashtra eat more chapati as compared to rice, while people in West Bengal, they don't eat chapati. They generally eat chapatis for in their breakfast time, while they eat rice all the time. So their staple food is rice, while our staple food or grain is wheat, because we eat more chapatis. So there is diversity. Diversity means the differences in food items in the different states. Now use your brain power. In every region there is one staple food. What is the reason for that? Because staple matlab, I told you the meaning of staple means produced in large quantity. So in Maharashtra we produce wheat and jawar in large quantity. So we eat wheat and jawar as a staple grain. Like we make roti from wheat also and from jawar also. So that is our staple food. Why? Because the weather is suitable for the growth of wheat and jawar in Maharashtra. The weather is suitable. While even rice is grown only in the Konkan region in Maharashtra, because rice needs a lot of water. It needs paddy areas to grow. See, rice needs paddy areas to grow. So our staple food is, or staple grain is wheat and jawar. So why does the staple food of people vary according to region? Why does it vary? Because even the weather varies, and suppose see, the weather there is suitable for another crop, so they eat more than. Now look at the map of India. Look here. So you will find this is Maharashtra. This is our Maharashtra. So what is this? Is wheat. This is, look here. This is jawar plant or jawar maize, and this is wheat, and this is rice. See, paddy areas are required to grow rice. It requires more areas in which rainfall is more to grow. So we have to observe the map and we have to answer the questions given below. So study the map given below. We have to study the map given below. Observe the distribution of food crops in the country. First question is, what is the first question? Study the map given below or given above. Now you have to observe the distribution of food crops in the country. Distribution of food crops मतलब हर जगह हर स्टेट में अलग अलग क्रॉप्स उगते हैं. कहीं पे राइस ज़्यादा उगते हैं, कहीं पे वीट ज़्यादा उगती है, कहीं ज्वार ज़्यादा उगती है. And these are the staple grains of India. What are the staple grains of India? Rice, wheat and jawar. So observe the distribution of food crops in the country. Now study how the distribution of crops varies in the different regions. Now see, our Maharashtra, and see Gujarat. This is Gujarat. Now what is grown more in Gujarat? Jawar is grown more in Gujarat. No, wheat is grown more in Gujarat, while jawar is grown less in Gujarat. So weather in Gujarat is suitable for wheat, while the weather in Maharashtra is suitable for wheat also and for jowar also. So which food crops is grown on a large scale in the coastal region? This is coastal region. This is all coastal region. This is coastal region. कोस्टल रीजन मतलब जो समंदर से घिरे हुए रहते हैं, समंदर की कोस्ट पे रहते हैं. दिस इज कोस्टल. दिस इज अरेबियन सी, दिस इज बे ऑफ बंगाल, दिस इज इंडियन ओशन. सो ये कोस्टल रीजन है इंडिया का. तो विच फूड क्रॉप इज ग्रोन ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल इन द कोस्टल रीजन? Which? Rice. Why? Because the area here in the coastal region has weather suitable for rice, and it is full of water. There is no scarcity of water. There is surplus of water. Surplus of water मतलब वहाँ पे पानी की कमी नहीं है, पानी बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में है. तो वो रीज़न से राइस ज़्यादा उगता है वहाँ पे. Which food crops are grown in North India? This is North India. This is North India. This is all North India. Which food crops are grown in North India? Which? Wheat, and some areas also grow rice, but generally they grow wheat. You know, Punjab is the biggest producer of wheat in the country. पंजाब में सबसे ज़्यादा wheat produce होता है all over India. तो नॉर्थ इंडिया में क्या ज़्यादा उगता है? वीट और राइस भी उगता है, ओनली इन दोज एरियाज में वाटर इज अवेलेबल इन लार्ज क्वांटिटी. विच इज द मेजर फूड क्रॉप इन द सेंट्रल रीजन? दिस इज सेंट्रल रीजन. दिस इज एंटायर सेंट्रल रीजन. सो कौन सा सेंटर का पार्ट जो है ना इंडिया का, कौन सा क्रॉप ज़्यादा उगते हैं वहाँ पे? वीट एंड ज्वार. Which is rice is grown on a large scale in the southern India. This is southern India. This all is southern India. Large scale in the southern part of India. Why is this so? Why? Because there is surplus amount of water, and rice requires paddy areas to grow. पानी की कमी नहीं है वहाँ पे, पानी बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में है, इसलिए वहाँ पे राइस उगता है. और इवन द वेदर देयर इज कूलर देन इन द सेंट्रल इंडिया. सो राइस वहाँ पे ज़्यादा उगता है. These all are the questions we saw now. I hope you have understood what I have taught you. We will see the other part of the lesson in the next video. Jazakallah khairan for listening me.